have to re-enter you into the application process. So, what was your name? And your last name? Okay. And your social security number? Date of birth? What's your favorite color? Okay, nice. Mine too. Alright. So I'm sorry about that, but yes. Unfortunately, you are too late for today's appointment. Just gotta fill you out a couple more slots here, and